This is Scott Becker on January 24th, 2024. Here's 18 stories that we're following this morning. First, the markets point up this morning. Bloomberg reports stocks gained as an onslaught of positive earnings from tech companies reinforced the picture of a broadly robust corporate sector. So stocks up today. Second, notwithstanding this, a lot of firms announcing some levels of layoffs. eBay to lay off 9% of their staff. TikTok, SAP also announcing layoffs. SAP stock, a big software firm, up as well based on potential layoffs. Third, a story from the Wall Street Journal about some companies kicking off the year with some layoffs. Again, Google says it plans more layoffs for 2024, not as much as 2023. Fourth, Bitcoin has dropped back to 39,000. Fifth, Alaska Airlines, probably the same with United, expressing some frustration with what they're finding with their Boeing 737 MAX 9 planes. They said they're finding some loose bolts. Not a good sign. You know, one of the Boeing MAX 9s had the side of the plane fall off during flight. That's always a bad sign for flying. Sixth, President Trump beat Nikki Haley in New Hampshire, but Haley got 43% of the vote. Probably more concerning to Republicans is a lot of negativity from independents and some of the moderate Republicans about a Trump candidacy in November. And that's what makes a Trump candidacy versus a Biden candidacy so tough to call. Seventh, 3M dropped nearly 11% yesterday and softer guidance for 2024. Eighth, Verizon jumped 7% yesterday on forecasting a solid results. Again, for AT&T and Verizon, it feels like it's been some time since we've heard that news. Ninth, eBay to cut 9% of its workforce. 10th, the one-year Treasury remains pretty stubbornly high at about 4.8%. That's still an attractive number for savers. 11th, the best news of the day yesterday, me and a colleague, Mark Abramson, won a two-man type of competition with Jim Harris and Gary Cole. That gave me extra cash to tip well at Starbucks this morning, so God bless that. 12th, Netflix rallied 10% in pre-market trading after showing really good subscriber numbers. Again, seeing Netflix rebound some, seeing Peloton rebound some. Who would have seen that coming? 13th, thrilled to discuss business today with some of the board members at Nimble Solutions in their leadership. Next, really excited to watch the growth of Memora Health. Manav Sivak might be one of the best young technology CEOs in the business currently right now, Memora Health. 15th, we're working quickly on a second edition of our book, Blocking and Tackling, 60 Keys to Building a Business and Managing Your Money. That book is available on Amazon. I will not make any money off this book. I am certain of that. I can assure you of that, but great fun. 16th, God bless the positivity of Dan Nielsen every day. 17th, SAP surges as it announces 8,000 in job cuts. A lot of that going on in the markets. Finally, 18th, Reuters essentially says the S&P 500 climbed to a record high again, closed on Tuesday as investors digested a mix of quarterly results and weighted reports from Tesla, the Fed, and a lot more. Those are 18 of the stories that we're following this morning. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Always feel free to text me with ideas and topics, 773-766-5322. Thank you very, very much.